welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. I do a lot of videos about shopping hauls, clothing, try-on videos, reviews, beauty tutorials, all sorts of fun things. So if you're into all things beauty, lifestyle, and fashion, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on my future videos. Elvis isn't here with me today, and I have a cold. So, two things that might be a little distracting, and I apologize ahead of time. Also, I have been wearing a hat all day, and so my hair is looking horrific, but I need to record this video. This is my trunk club. I haven't had a trunk club in months, so I decided to get one, and this one was interesting. It's still my same stylish Mila. I did ask her for some vacation items because we are going on vacation next month. A little bit hit or miss, but you guys can see at the end of the video, I'll let you know what I decided to keep, if anything, and what I paid for the items. And also, I'll be trying everything on right here next to me, so make sure to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up if you guys like these kind of videos. So let's just get started. Let's start out with these earrings. They're really pretty. They're just like a hoop earring from Gorjana, I think it's called. They're really pretty, but those are the those are the G-ring hoops in silver for 60 bucks. I think they're a little pricey for 60 bucks. You know, they're just a plain hoop. I'm sure they're, you know, very good quality. I do like the Gorjana brand from Nordstrom, but these will probably be going back. I do have some other silver type earrings, but they are very cute. Came in this cute little box, and I know this is a good brand. So, okay, next up are these Michael Kors pumps. They're a little big, as you'll see from my try-on, but they're just a basic, you know, not really kitten heel, but just like a basic pump. Really pretty. Got some detail right there. There's the bottom. So just like a basic pump, really nice. These are the Michael Kors Flex Kitten Pump in black for $74.25. They're probably on sale or something for being that price. So not a bad price for a Michael Kors shoe, but they are a little big, so I'll probably be sending these back. Okay, the next item I did not even take out of the bag. It's just basically a white, like a Oxford shirt, like kind of a beach like cover-up. And this one is the boyfriend shirt cover-up from Tommy Bahama in white for $68. The reason I didn't take it out of the bag is because I have one exactly like it, and I bought that myself probably a couple years ago. So this one will be going back because I have one exactly like it. I do love it, and I'll have links down below to most of these items, all these items, or similar items, so you guys can go check it out and get more description detail, or if you want to order the item, you can do that through the link below. But yeah, this is a really just a nice, just like a Crepe type beach cover-up, and I really like it. Is this a reversible bathing suit? It's like the tankini. So here's the top, and then the other side is striped. Really pretty. Here are the bottoms. I think they fit great. I think the top is a little big, so like the bottoms, these are a size small, and the top is a size medium. Not sure why they sent me two separate sizes, but I think I would need the small in the top. So I really do like this. I like the fact that it's reversible. The bottoms are $68 and the top is $118. So pretty pricey. We're talking almost, you know, $180, $200 basically for a swimsuit. So I probably won't be keeping it, but it's really high quality by Tommy Bahama. Really pretty. You know, if it was $100, I'd probably keep it. Okay, then they sent me these like black knit pants. Amaro crop pants from Reformation in black for $78. Don't think I would get a lot of use out of these. They do have a little bit of texture, if you can see right there. They kind of remind me of a pajama pant, but they are super duper comfy. Love that. Super soft. I just don't think I'd get a lot of use out of these. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. You know, maybe in the spring. I don't know. I really don't see myself wearing these type of pants. So one piece bathing suit by La Blanca. This is actually a really good bathing suit brand. I really like this. This is really pretty, super flattering. I love it. The price though is $135. Let's see here. It's the Island one-piece swimsuit in midnight size 4 by La Blanca for $135. So As you can see from me trying it on, it's really pretty. I think it's just like snug in all the right places, and I think it is very, very flattering. I just don't need to be spending that much for a bathing suit right now. Then we have this dress in this putrid green color, which I do not like at all. But this is the, let's see here, All in Favor Haley crepe dress in green for 46 bucks. So the price is absolutely right. I love this kind of style, just kind of like loose fitting, really cute. They probably come in other colors, so I'll check it out because I do like the style and I like the way it fits. But the color, let me know what you guys think. Okay, next we have this dress here. La la la, cha cha cha. This is the Love Fire tiered wrap dress, multicolored in size small for 49 bucks. I think the price is absolutely right. I do not like, though, this dress. I just have no place I would wear this dress. I would not wear this to work. I really wouldn't wear it out. It's got a little tie here. It's pretty short. It's very flattering. I'll give them that. But it's just really not my style. But let me know what you guys think about that. Then we have this very interesting jumpsuit. Again, kind of in a putrid mustardy type color. I kind of like the concept on this, but I just don't think it worked for me, and I could not for the life of me zip up the back. So here it is. This is the All in Favor tie front jumpsuit in yellow for $59, which is a really, really good price. It's just kind of more of a linen-y type material or something. I mean, you're definitely going to have to iron or dry clean this or whatever. So it's a little bit more high maintenance, but it's pretty. You know, it's got some nice detail, but just really not for me, I don't think. Okay, I really like this. This is like a beach cover-up. This is by, I believe, yep, O'Neill. Erin one shoulder dress by O'Neill, naked, for $54. I like it. I like the detail. It's really pretty. I don't know if I like the one shoulder. Let me know what you guys think of how that looks. It's got a little bit of a lining in it. So that's nice. I think it's very good quality. I think it's super cute. I'm just not 100% sold on the one shoulder, but I think it's really cute, and over a bathing suit I think it'd be perfect. Okay, then we have this by La Blanca too. This is a beach cover-up in black for $99, so 100 bucks. The reason it's so expensive is the detail is unbelievable on this thing. It's hard to see because it's black, but the detail is really, really beautiful. It's just a very like thick, heavy material. It's just a little bit too big on me and just like too much black, I think, for me. But I think it is gorgeous. I think if you're, I don't know, I think if you're like a blonde, this would be really, really pretty. It's just too much darkness for me, you know what I mean? Plus it's just a little bit too heavy, too big, but it is really beautiful, really nice, just good quality, you know? But it is 100 bucks. Okay guys, that wraps up my trunk club for the month of March. Let me know what you guys thought. Kind of interesting, a lot of different items. I really have no idea if I'm going to keep anything, which I will feel really bad if I don't, but we shall see. You'll learn at the end of the video. Let me know what you guys thought, and let me know if you guys like these kind of videos by giving me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.